So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use head tracking on the latest iOS 26. Now in order to set it up, just simply open the settings of your iPhone, and here you'll see this option of accessibility. Just simply go over there, and once you go over there you'll scroll down until you see this option of head tracking. Just by using this option you can control all your iPhone just by moving your head in front of your iPhone. Now just simply go over there and hit turn it on. You can customize the actions for the same. Here you will see I can use my iPhone just by moving my head. I can customize the controls from here as well. For example, if I raise the eyebrows, I can select the action that I want to happen, and there are multiple things that I can see I can customize using my head tracking. So here you'll see multiple settings that you can use, even the pointer speed as well. Now just simply turn this option on, and you can easily control your iPhone just by moving your head on the in front of your iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.